How to integrate Mailchimp pop-up in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a Mailchimp pop-up and how we can integrate it within Wix website. So we're going to head over mailchimp.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see this is the dashboard. So basically we are going to have the Mailchimp campaign. We're going to head over, create a campaign, create a sign up form, and we're going to choose pop-up form. So from here we're going to create our pop-up form just like that, and we're going to set up the offer that we're going to put. For example, a general newsletter. I'm going to click on continue, select the type of the newsletter that you want. Maybe I'm going to apply this. So what type of data would you like to collect? Obviously email addresses. Create the form, and we're going to have the pop-up. So basically this pop-up is going to have some automations. As you can see, the pages that you're going to find on the mobile phone, desktop, and etc. So we can go ahead and have here look for them. Here we have the email capture, as you can see, also the confirmation, and we're going to click on save and review. Now after we have did that, what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to have a code and we're going to publish it. So everything is here. I can go ahead and set up where should it show, who, and we can go ahead and set up the maybe the website, or you can go ahead and appear or set them like that. Basically I'm going to cancel here, click on publish and schedule. So where I'm going to select a website, and also I can go ahead and add a target. So I can go ahead and add a URL, currently viewing page. I can go ahead and add the URL of a website, and it is going to be set up. So we're going to have them just like that. And the final thing in here is going to be heading over the integration, head over Wix or select Wix, and we're going to create a connection between Wix and Mailchimp. So it is going to be very easy. We're going to choose the same website. This is the connection. We're going to select the website that we want to implement. Click on agree and add. Wait for a few seconds. So we're going to click on synchronize now. Wait for a few seconds, and here we have the connection. Now we're going to be back to the campaigns, or the specific, let's say here, the forms. I can go ahead and head over here. This is the pop-up, I think. I can go ahead and have this. Click on edit. And we're going to select here the website. So we can manage the connected websites, and normally we are going to find also the Wix website. So I'm going to connect another website. So we can go ahead and have here the website of here I'm going to click on publish on my Wix website. I think that the process is not going to be fully automated, unfortunately. So we're going to view our site, copy the link, put it here, and we're going to connect an audience. So we're going to create this snippet. We're going to head over our Wix website, add an embedded code. We're going to head over here, click on embed code, HTML, paste code, update, boom. So it is going to be fully transparent. And whenever you are going to open up your website, it is going to pop up. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.